Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Today we're starting a series looking at the signs, wonders, and miracles that Jesus and his disciples performed throughout the books of the Gospels and the Acts of the Holy Spirit. So come with me, and if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. Yeah? And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 4 from verse 23 to verse 25. That time there, Jesus did go all over Galilee a teach in a Jew them church. Him did a preach the good news about God kingdom and I get people better. People who have all kind of sickness and we're sick in all sort of way. So people start to hear about him more and more all around Syria. And then carry all sort of people come. We sick in a this way or that the way. Then carry people with pain up and I suffer from all sort of crosses. And all who did a suffer from sickness, we make them catch fits, then carry them come too. Then carry people who can't walk. People who have demon in them. And Jesus get the whole of them better. Sake of that, one bag of people start follow back at him. People from Galilee, the 10 town them where they call the CRIPPLE, people from Jerusalem, Judea, and the place them where they pass River Jordan. I God with this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.